Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your AliExpress account. Once you're on the app, click on account on the lower right, then click on your profile picture on the upper left. Then from here, click on edit. You'll be able to see where it says edit to your profile there. And on this section on the account info, you'll see your email address top on there. Now for email, go ahead and click on your email address. It's going to ask you to enter a passcode or verification code that will be sent to your email address, and you'll be able to enter it right here. So if I scroll down now from the top, you can see that I get a new email. And if I open that email, it is a verification code that I have received, right? So all I have to do now is just enter the latest one that I received, which is the second one here. And once I copy this code, then I can go back into the app and actually paste this and click and verify. And as you can see now, I can enter my email address. It says for security reason, we need to verify your new email. So just go ahead and enter the new email, and then it's going to send a verification code to that new email, which you'll then enter again, and it's going to change